Hello, Cancer. Nice to meet you. Let's get on to it. Cancer, it's a little weird saying the word Cancer. But I mean, I guess it doesn't have to be. But to me, it's a little bit odd saying Cancer. Because of the disease. Cancer is pretty cool. I don't think that we would have any problems with each other. Cancer is very supportive, healing, compassionate, and all that positive stuff. Unlike us Scorpios, but the cool thing about Cancer is that they're kind of like the crab. I mean, I don't understand how some zodiacs, and it's not just Cancer, but some zodiacs have more of to their animal, I guess. I wonder when the zodiacs were created and who created them. Actually, let me Google this real quick. Okay, I'm back. It looks like the Babylonians created them. That's pretty cool. Alright, it looks like there's 13 signs, which everyone and their mother should have already known. I mean, I get it that they're just based off of the months. Did they not have the name of a month back in their time? And I think we just created the actual months, the names of the month that we have them now. So maybe the signs were created back in the day as the actual month, and not necessarily like how we see a zodiac now. But I mean, I don't know. Who's to know, really? All I know is that they're cool and they're kind of freaky because they kind of do match with our personalities. Does that mean that we're all basic and that we can relate and we're no, not that we can relate, but we're easily identified as a human race? Or is it just an algorithm of personality traits that we are given within the matrix? Of course, I mean, that's reasonable, right? I don't know, just like the Tootsie Roll Pop Owl, the world may never know. Anyways, I think I'm starting to lose track again. Hopefully everybody's year has been going pretty good, pretty nice, interesting, and keeping everyone entertained. I did get a little bit pushed back with Gemini, but now it's time to armor up, everyone. It's time to put on your gear for war. This is time to take anything that the world throws at you, good and bad, in between, sideways, flipped upside down on a 90-degree angle. Nothing's gonna get through our hard armor as we face this beautiful world. Dang, there's a lot of positive things about Cancer, and as I'm no pro at zodiacs or horoscopes or anything, I barely know my own kind. It is pretty fun looking these up and figuring out a glimpse of their capabilities, what they're like, and how they take the world. I think next year, if I'm going to continue with this little series, it's just been a lot of fun making these. I think next year I'm probably going to do a humanoid based on all the zodiacs. I follow this freaking amazing artist named Lavender Town, which is freaking awesome. And she did a series where she makes the zodiac signs, all the signs, and she did them all in a couple videos. But they're all really, really cute. And her style is a little cute and creepy, which is freaking awesome. So, but they're all humanoid, so definitely want to try that out for next year. But yeah, this Cancer, it was a lot of fun making this one. It was it kind of reminded me more of a spider, but it's not, obviously, but they kind of do pose, and they have I don't know, I guess they're not really similar, they just kind of have the same, maybe, shape. Yeah, they have the same shape, right? A spider and a crab. I was just playing back my recording, and you could hear like the thunder. It's thundering, thunder. The lightning strikes over here in Florida. Dang, about to listen to some Tim McGraw, Thunder Road. All right, everyone, don't forget to armor up. Get ready, baby. Get ready.